Welcome back, students. Continuing the lecture 2 in Introduction to Algebra. Today we will learn how to find the solution of a linear equation. Let's find the value of x for a given linear equation x plus 2 is equal to 5. To find the value of x, we want to isolate variable x. The way we can do it is by moving the positive 2 to the right hand side of this equation. In order to do that, we have to create equivalent linear equation by subtracting 2 on both sides. Therefore, we get x plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2. Let's simplify the left hand side of this equation. Here we can cancel out plus 2 and minus 2. And now simplify the right hand side. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to 3. That's an answer. Now let's verify this solution. Substitute x is equal to 3 in x plus 2 is equal to 5. We get 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Definitely 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, here we have left hand side which equals to the right hand side. Hence, we can say that x is equal to 3 is a solution to the linear equation x plus 2 is equal to 5. Let's do another example. Find the value of x in a linear equation x minus 4 is equal to 7. To solve this problem, we want to apply the similar principle. We want to isolate variable x. One way of doing that by moving negative 4 to the right hand side of this equation. We can achieve that by adding positive 4 on both sides of this equation. Therefore, we get x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 7 plus 4. Let's simplify the expression on the left. Here positive 4 and negative 4 cancel out each other. And now simplify the expression on the right. 7 plus 4 is equal to 11. Therefore, x is equal to 11. Let's verify this answer. Substitute x is equal to 11 in x minus 4 is equal to 7. We get 11 minus 4 is equal to 7. And we know that 11 minus 4 is really equal to 7. Therefore, left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. Hence, we can say that x is equal to 11 is a solution to this linear equation. Let's solve another problem. 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. Find the value of x in this linear equation. Here we will apply multiple steps. Let's isolate the term with variable x. We can subtract 6 from both sides of this equation. Hence we get 2x plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 8 minus 6. Let's cancel out plus 6 and minus 6 on the left hand side. Therefore, we are left with 2x is equal to 2. Now let's further isolate variable x. Here we can divide by 2 on both sides of this equation. Hence we get 2x divided by 2 is equal to 2 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Let's check this solution. Substitute x is equal to 1 in 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, we get 2 times 1 plus 6 is equal to 8. Definitely 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Therefore, left hand side value is equal to right hand side value. Hence, we can confidently say that x is equal to 1 is a solution to this linear equation 2x plus 6 is equal to 8.